space.
The final frontier. These are the voyages of the Starship Enterprise. Its continuing mission to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new life and new civilizations, to boldly go where no one has gone before.
Risk neither miscalculation nor error.
Oh, welcome in, watch collectors, welcome in. Thank you guys for being here. Yes, this is going to be a quick unboxing.
Listen carefully.
A lot of people are huge fans of Star Trek, hands down. But I do recall people just over the years saying that it'd be cool to have like their favorite iconic shows placed on watches, man. So with all those dreams and all those wants, guess what? Nubeo actually delivered. So I just want to thank the team over there at Nubeo. And I get to literally put up that paid promotion because this watch was sent to me, right? This is a number limited timepiece. And you know what? Let's just get into it because I got to see it. That right there, wee, yo, that's official, man. That's official. Okay, all right. Let me go ahead and. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Okay, so if you guys are not familiar with Nubeo, I actually ran into a rep. Right, and I've been watching this on Home Shopping Networks and stuff. I actually have 2 Nubeos in my collection already, but I did not have the Magellan. And the Magellan, as far as watches are concerned, is similar to the Richard Mille, that design, that tonneau shape. It's real sporty. But I had a conversation with the team over there at Nubeo. We started talking on Instagram, and this right here, this particular model, they asked me, like once we got to talking, they asked me which one did I prefer, and of course I had to go with the yellow. And I went to say, oh my gosh, Starship Enterprise. So let's go over some of the details real quick, man. Just looking, I don't know much about the watch. I know it's automatic. I know they went out their way. Look at that. Hold on, let's get some of this plastic. Let's get this plastic off. Ooh. We'll go into more detail in another video. I just want to show you guys this. That N for Nubeo. You get to register, scan me, register the watch right there. Let's peel off some stickers. To get a close-up look of, oh, quit playing. Yo, that is so dope. Hold on, let's get a close-up. Ah, man. Now, there are other colorways, as you see on the screen. This one is the one that I chose. USS Enterprise. It is so dope that they have a collaboration with one of the hottest shows, man. That's an iconic name, bro. Look at, man. Okay, they go through the details. Let me see. Nubeo on the rubber. Feels pretty good, but I'll go into details and tell you how I feel this watch stacks up. Oh, what's the number on this one? So there's like 200 of these per colorway. 168 out of 200. Only 200 people in the world will be able to get this. Now, that, in my opinion, that is a true limited edition. So, to boldly go with, oh, it's on the dial. That's crazy. Okay, all right. So I just want to show you guys this. Let me dive into it. Let me get it more into the watch. We'll come back for a review. Hold up before I go. Let me see. Okay, so instructions is in here. Uh-oh. Instructions is in there. card and all this other stuff, warranty. And instruction manual. Okay, all right, guys. So let me go ahead and dive into this watch. I'll do another video on the loom and the wearability and stuff like that. There is a link down there, and if you go on the link, I did see there's instructions on. There's a coupon code in there that if you do like this watch, go ahead and grab it, and yeah, that'll be dope. So let me know what you think. Tell me what you think. I'm telling you off top, just from what I'm seeing right now, it's dope, it's lightweight, it's automatic, it's Star Trek. All right, I'll catch y'all in the next video, man. Y'all be blessed.